December 25, 2025. In new footage, an FPV drone operator from the Sever Group's 34th Guards Motor Rifle Brigade struck a truck transporting enemy forces in the village of Osafa, Sumy region. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. Zaporizhzhia front. During combat operations, guards of the 143rd Motorized Rifle Regiment detected and disabled communication relay antennas used by Ukrainian UAV operators to maintain control and positioning of their drones. After the initial engagement, Ukrainian infantry repositioned, inadvertently revealing their locations. Reconnaissance drones tracked their movement, and subsequent drone attacks followed in quick succession. In the Grishino area on the Pokrovsk direction, a civilian was spotted during operations, and the drone circled around him without engagement, avoiding any risk to non-combatants. New footage shows Russian drone operators continuing to target Ukrainian military vehicles in the Guliay-Pole direction, disrupting supply lines, ammunition transport, and the rotation of Ukrainian troops. The operations highlight the role of unmanned systems in limiting enemy mobility and logistical support on the battlefield. New footage released by the Ministry of Defense showcases a compilation of drone strikes conducted by unmanned systems, highlighting precision engagements against enemy positions, vehicles, and equipment across multiple sectors of the front. Footage has emerged showing Ukrainian armed forces units attempting to advance toward Pokrovsk. The video captures infantry being transported in BMP infantry fighting vehicles, operating in coordination with armored support in the area. According to the sequence shown, after the BMPs disembark their troops, the vehicles turn back and withdraw from the immediate engagement zone. During this phase, the armored support vehicle becomes the focus of FPV drone activity. As the situation develops, one Ukrainian serviceman is left isolated in the area as the engagement unfolds. The footage is described as having undergone objective verification. Overall, it reflects the continued intensity of fighting around Pokrovsk, where both sides are actively contesting control through a combination of mechanized movement, infantry actions, and extensive drone use. A Russian FPV drone engaged and destroyed a Ukrainian position, striking with speed that left personnel no time to evade. A Russian FPV drone operator conducting reconnaissance spotted a Ukrainian pickup truck. 2 Ukrainian soldiers attempted to jump out and escape, but they were likely unsuccessful. 10:50 p.m., December 16, 2025. A Russian strike drone detected a group of Ukrainian forces during a routine rotation and promptly engaged the position, disrupting the movement and affecting the unit's ability to complete the maneuver. Kupyansk direction. A precision strike targeted the rear of a Ukrainian military vehicle, disrupting movement and impacting logistical activity in the area. A civilian-type vehicle being used by Ukrainian forces was targeted and disabled during an engagement, impacting mobility and logistical movement in the area. In the Kharkiv region, Russian drone and strike crews continue to target Ukrainian military vehicles, disrupting transport and operational mobility. Operators from the 68th Division of the Leningrad Military District carried out highly effective strikes, as shown in footage depicting the neutralization of 18 enemy vehicles of various types. The operation demonstrates the precision, coordination, and sustained impact of specialized units in degrading enemy logistics and maneuver capabilities on the battlefield. Drone operators from the 68th Motor Rifle Division conducted combat operations in the Kharkiv region, targeting armored assets and vehicles of the Ukrainian armed forces. The footage shows UAV crews detecting enemy equipment during reconnaissance and guiding precision strikes to disable and render the vehicles inoperable. These actions disrupted Ukrainian mobility and logistics in the area, highlighting the continued use of drones as a key tool for surveillance, target acquisition, and precision engagement in this sector of the front. Artillery units of the 88th Brigade conducted a precise strike on an enemy deployment area in Zvinovka, successfully engaging the identified position with accurate fire. In this footage, a Ukrainian International Max Pro MRAP was disabled in a border area following a precision strike. Russian FPV drones equipped with high-explosive payloads struck a building that was being used by 2 Ukrainian soldiers. The precision engagement resulted in the structure being disabled and the position rendered combat ineffective. In the Kramatorsk-Drushkivka direction, a Russian FPV drone operator detected a military unit concealed in open, arid terrain. This sector of the front is increasingly showing signs of a prolonged campaign aimed at attrition and sustained pressure. Footage released by the Telegram channel Iznanka shows a Russian Aerospace Forces strike employing FAB-250 aerial munitions equipped with UMPK guidance kits against positions of Ukrainian forces in the settlement of Glushkovka, near Kupyansk in the Kharkiv region. The strike reflects a focus on systematically degrading defensive positions, logistics, and endurance, underscoring how aerial firepower is being used to apply continuous operational pressure over time rather than seeking rapid breakthroughs. The first official video from the Ministry of Defense in Seversk shows that after clearing the city, soldiers from the 6th Separate Motorized Rifle Brigade of the 3rd Combined Arms Army, part of the Southern Group, conducted door-to-door searches in apartment buildings and private homes to provide medical assistance to civilians remaining in the area. Additionally, while inspecting surrounding areas, the soldiers checked roads and nearby zones for explosive devices, safely neutralizing any hazardous materials discovered using controlled detonations. In this footage, UAV operators conducted precision strikes to support the ongoing offensive in the Novo Pavlivka area of the Dnipropetrovsk region, targeting enemy positions and assets to facilitate the advance of friendly forces. It has been a long time since such a complete and uninterrupted FPV drone action video has surfaced. The footage provides an unusually detailed look at how these operations unfold in real combat conditions, from target acquisition to final engagement. By following the drone's perspective throughout the mission, the video conveys the speed, tension, and decision-making involved at every stage. It offers a clear sense of what these moments look like on the ground, highlighting how FPV drones have become an integral tool in shaping the battlefield and influencing outcomes in real time. The Russian drone operator detected a heavy 6-rotor helicopter-type UAV. The Ukrainian drone was destroyed by a Russian fiber-optic FPV drone while attempting to drop 2 mines. Don't forget to share your opinion in the comments. Subscribe and like for more updates. Kharkiv region. Operations in the area are being conducted by the Footballer drone unit, known for its coordinated and precise unmanned strikes. During these missions, the unit focuses on identifying enemy positions, targeting logistics and personnel, and disrupting defensive arrangements to support broader ground operations. In the settlement of Sudoplatov, the unit carried out targeted engagements, demonstrating rapid response, high maneuverability, and effective use of aerial surveillance. The operation highlights how specialized drone groups are increasingly shaping tactical outcomes on the battlefield, combining reconnaissance, precision strikes, and real-time intelligence to maintain pressure on opposing forces while minimizing exposure to friendly troops. A Ukrainian serviceman from the 112th Territorial Defense Brigade successfully engaged and brought down a Russian Shahid loitering munition using twin Maxim machine guns, demonstrating improvised air defense capability against low-flying aerial threats. Russian UAV operators deployed from KVN to monitor the crossing point on the Osil River in Kupyansk, capturing remarkable footage of 3 FAB-500 bombs equipped with UMPKs being delivered to the area. FPV crews from the 1st Infantry Battalion of the 217th Guards Airborne Regiment, part of the 98th Guards Airborne Division, continue to demonstrate a high level of proficiency during combat operations. Their missions show consistent effectiveness even against field-installed counter-drone measures, including protective netting, highlighting adaptability and precision in challenging operational conditions. New footage highlights the destruction of Ukrainian logistics through a series of precision strikes conducted by Russian unmanned systems. A KVN fiber-optic drone provides detailed aerial imagery, capturing the aftermath of operations against Ukrainian armored vehicles, armored personnel carriers, and pickup trucks in the approaches to Pokrovsk and Myrnograd. The drone footage clearly shows the scale of the damage, including disabled and destroyed vehicles scattered across key transit routes, illustrating the effectiveness of drone surveillance and strike coordination in targeting logistical nodes. These operations were carried out by highly coordinated units from the Center and Rubicon groups, which successfully identified and engaged over 50 Ukrainian military vehicles, significantly disrupting the enemy's mobility and operational flexibility. The strikes not only destroyed material assets but also impacted the behavior of surviving forces. Reports indicate that remaining Ukrainian units have deliberately avoided advancing into areas near Russian-controlled cities, reflecting the psychological as well as tactical effect of these drone operations. The footage underscores the growing role of unmanned systems in modern combat, where high-speed fiber-optic drones can detect, track, and engage targets with precision even under challenging conditions. By targeting the movement and logistics of opposing forces, these drones impose continuous operational pressure, degrade supply lines, and limit the ability of frontline units to maneuver freely. This engagement demonstrates how UAVs have become a decisive tool in shaping the battlefield, combining reconnaissance, real-time targeting, and precision strikes to achieve both material and psychological impact on enemy forces.